What's up, guys? What's up, Ryan? My hair's gotta go. All right. What's up? What's up, everybody? All right, so basically today was absolutely range bound. The only decent play was uptrend break that was built from probably market open. But overall, with today being an event, IV is super high. Basically 3,900. Range bound between 3,900 and basically 3,886. Even buying calls, taking them down, you're still not, like Zach, still not making money. It's just a pretty overall boring day, which is FOMC. The volume's going to come in right at 2 and 2:30. The only trade I took was Beyond just because I was kind of boring this morning. Good 62%. The CEO or COO decided to bite someone's nose off and got arrested. Hold on 1 second. Oh, there we go. I was like, why isn't the mic moving? All right, so overall, look at the daily. It's just waiting. NQ, I didn't really want to go short off open because in pre-market I showed this little uptrend we had. I should be good now. Big 5. I mean, I'm 35. I say I'm old, but we had this little uptrend. We also had this. We had basically could pull this over a little bit more. We can pull this over a lot more. Resistance became support. Then we went back to resistance again. We broke above. We're kind of just holding it. That's why I really don't want to go short. Didn't really want to go short. Looks like a decent, the main thing is, are we going to break this trend? right here on IQ. Oil kind of dumped, had a decent long on it. Pretty solid move. Was right off this right here. Right off the zone. Break it down. We touched that zone, pushed up pretty well. Pretty good money right there. Not really looking at VIX, UVX. VIX is definitely a little manipulated. VIX has monthly expirations. Apple did look weak, kind of get strong. Nothing really popped up. Semiconductors were strong off the bat, kind of today. Oh, this is where I wanted to short. Oh man, I want to short AMD here. Not really. No, I didn't. I wanted it to be a red candle. Amazon, everything's just looking sideways. Not really going to go through many charts. Just waiting. Google, definitely some interesting things. I think it was a good number. It's going to be the same pattern that I showed this morning. We'll go over that in a little bit. And if it's bad, Google, very interesting. Some next week's 110 calls came in for like 24 cents. I was actually debating on getting it. They're at .3. A lot of people were loading up, but the only issue I had was we were right here. They were getting them like right here. Really no rhyme or reason, but of course the news came out with Meta, and what they're doing with jobs. What's the exact news? Meta and Google are cutting staff, but they don't mention layoffs. So, cutting staff. Google, probably why Google got that. There are a lot of leaps going into Google. You go to Meta popped, which was interesting because Meta kind of dumped in the morning. Wonder if they knew that, kind of dumped it and then pushed it up. Semiconductors were strong. Tesla, I almost got a put for Tesla. I was kind of watching this, like almost head and shoulders forming. Red open, we were getting a lot of upper wicks, just showing a lot of selling pressure. But I didn't like this 931 taking out those highs. I honestly didn't like it. Came back up, made a low. Could have been nice, but overall, no really big moves. I mean, big moves about to happen. Pop up the chat again. SPY. So previously, for people who don't know, I used to get a SPY call, SPY put, kind of 1-to-1. Thank you for the birthdays, guys. And I used to do kind of 1% up. So I'm gonna keep this. % up, normal, % down. So we used to, the last one we didn't make that good of money on it, but we had we would fall. Seller puts down here, and then router calls up. Basically, both would go in the money, and it will look pretty good. Good risk reward, very safe way to do it. But no. No, nothing really. SPY, I mean, the only thing I really saw on SPY today was, kind of kept this pivot here, kind of yesterday's closing high. And watched this one, and we kind of held that there. But little moves. These moves were not going to make any money on we're not gonna make money because the IV was so high. You have to have good, like JPM. Old color. Weekly, nothing. Daily. Usually banks have a good run up to FOMC, but not this time. Those are old daily demand. Back down, bounce from it, created a new demand. Basically bounce from it. So if the trend is down, break through both those. So we'll look at XLF. I don't really play JP Morgan. I play Goldman Sachs. I think Goldman Sachs is one of the most liquid ones. XLF, I mean, this thing is just basically this downtrend created, kind of just flagging, possibly. Kind of watching that, but banks are just strange. There's really no rhyme or reason to banks. Some things that you could watch is GS, kind of like the same thing, flagging. Actually hit my demand and popped up. Where's the other banks? MA, like we're getting to a pivotal point in MA. MasterCard 1, 2, 3, almost 4 basically bounces from this good 305 level. Could be a good time to go long, but we are making lower highs. Someone can watch descending triangle. So if we do break below, I'm looking for a possible retest at 305 and continuation down. And then MA. There's another one that looked like this. Roku, PayPal, Neo. I can't remember. Oh well. SPY pushing up. This was a dark pull up here. Visa, I think, yeah, Visa probably one. I don't know why I don't have Visa up there. I have Visa? Yeah. Visa's kind of in that area. Same spot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This even goes back down to here. Look at these crazy support bounces on this area. We are making lower highs, so it is a descending triangle, typical Ascending triangles are bearish, so usually you break below. But can banks really break below? Bank of America. I mean, banks don't really look good, but a lot of things. Microsoft. Microsoft, I really want Microsoft to go to 235, which is basically this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, almost 7 weeks of consolidation right here. I'm getting there, guys. I just so many people tagging me right now. 6 weeks of consolidation. You can tell buyers came in strong, pull back down. Buyers came in strong. Right now, it just seems like it kind of wicked a new low. Not really bouncing from anywhere. Put Microsoft to the upside. I'm looking at kind of, you can tell this is a nice consolidation right here. Then sellers came in. So, if you're looking at Microsoft to go short, you want to kind of look at like that. Break above there. We're coming back up to the 268 area, where obviously sellers came in super, super strong. What's up? Thank you guys for the birthdays. But you can tell this is pretty decent level right here. You have previous resistance, broke below. See if it holds support and then drop. But NQ's been super strong. SPY's been, man, I was in a SPY long for a second. That thing did not move. Yeah, SPY long futures, and that thing did not move worth a darn. It's interesting. Ethereum, Bitcoin are kind of moving, which is very interesting. Pop on Bitcoin, 30-minute. We're not there yet. Usually they just kind of shows you what happened. We're kind of worried that we're gonna pop up. Everyone wants the same pattern, which is the same pattern I'm playing too. I'll show. But it's like when everyone wants to play the same way, it changes. Just kind of like last time, it changed up on us. We really had a lot of consolidation. You paste is way too large, whatever. The pop new high down NQ. Anything I'm really watching right here. But all this is noise right now. There it is. This is the past 4. Did it's almost the same exact thing. A lot of chop. Most of them, they all kind of pushed up into 2 o'clock meeting, fell. You take the flag, breakout, the downtrend break. He calls, push up, decent move up. I mean, that's what I'm going to play. See if history repeats itself. There's another rejection of ES off 3,900. So 3,900 is definitely a tough spot right now. Just 1, 2. At 3,900. If we're able to push up, definitely go long, over at 3,900. Would be a good entry. Also, 15-minute inside. If 15-minute bar goes inside, definitely watch that one too. For you guys, I'm gonna be flipping back and forth. I'm actually live in a Discord, so I'm gonna flip back and forth and kind of talk between you guys, both y'all. Ask questions, ask away. Let's try to make a little bit of money. No, it's been pretty boring. I'm gonna stay on Spy. I can see possibly us. We got 10 minutes. Thought we kind of push into here. Maybe, possibly look like this. Kind of back to that bottom of the range. Push back up. Option flow over 500,000 today has been really, really quiet. So just showing you that everyone's kind of waiting to see the reaction to this. And FX Hedge put something out saying definitely close your shorts going into FOMC, which is very interesting because I think it's just stupid to put that out. But this could go either way. I mean, I'd prefer a bigger interest rate hike. Let's go ahead and get knock inflation right in the face. I'm sick of going to the grocery store and spending a lot of money on groceries. Let's just knock it in the face, get it over with. Let the market fall. It's falling anyways, so might as well let it fall more. Like, no harm, no foul. Yeah, I do support myself financially, trading and being an analyst. And I have a wife, so she helps me support. But we have 2 kids, so I mean, I say support myself more in futures now than options. I'm kind of liking futures better, just because it's simple. Thanks, Brad. The key focus will be forward guidance from Fed Chair Powell press briefing. I mean, the Treasury yields are so inflated. We have the 2 years highest since 2007. I mean, this market, overall, without FOMC today, the overall market just seems ready for a crash. I mean, look at the Dixie. This thing blew up. You have your 10-year. Look at this thing's just flying. 2-year, they're inverted. Yeah, I'll probably creep up till 2. to look at doing in a podcast. I like my little pre-market show. I see a lot of new name faces. Make sure you guys subscribe. That'd be awesome if you guys could subscribe. Hit like. I love this pre-market. We're in here at 8 o'clock every day, just charting away. I wake up, get my coffee, get my breakfast, chart away. Did it do anything? Yeah, I could do podcasts. I like my new mic. I mean, the main thing is I think I do too much as it is right now. So I'm a little watching my kids. Luckily, my little guy's sleeping, and the other guy is fell off the couch, so he's in sad land because he's hurt. I already ate my cereal, buddy. I'm grabbing puts right now. Not going crazy. I'm not looking for crazy, but if I'm playing that trend, down, up, right, I'll probably take profit like 30-40%. Three minutes. Literally did SPX and just grabbed one. Too much stuff open. Buy for 2.62. Let's do it. Put your lipstick on. Chapstick, I mean. Yeah, Pal Talk's 2:30. Let's go down to the ground, down to the ground, down, down, down. 75, 75, 75. So give it to me, baby. Give it to me, baby. I'm up 100. Yeah. Let's go. Let's go. Market dump. Market dump. All right, 3855. $4.23, 4.5. I'm out. I'm out. 4.22. I'm out. 4.22. 3.83. This area is a key support. Yeah, 3850, 3855 is a key support. I was on mute the whole time. Killer play, guys. I mean, VIX is above 30. This thing will probably be weird. 3850, 3855. This has been key support the last couple days. That's why I sold here. Of course, I probably sold early, but can't complain. I mean, basically $200 a contract. Fed sees path to increase rates. It's stalled and might reset. Yeah, when that VXX VIX thing was all jacked. Glad. How you doing on those futures? How you doing those futures short there, FBI? Still waiting for Powell Talk to see the initial really bounce. I'm out 100 points on MNQ. Obviously, I sold early, but I don't, SPY's close to a gap. Isn't this a gap on SPY? No. Yeah, can you mute when you talk to your chat? All right, so stuck to the plan, guys. That's the main thing. I want to take the play. I want to take puts. I had the setup, guys. I had the setup. We do still look bearish. They say they want to keep doing the rate increases. They don't want us back off. So there's VIX back, there's VIX backs down to 27. It was just a fake wick. The main thing is when Powell comes on, are we going to reverse like we normally do? Start watching consolidation. Start watching 15-minute, 10-minute consolidation. See what's happening. 5 minutes, see if we're going to consolidate here. Get rid of all this crap. And I'll be right back in a second. All right. How many guys took the trade? Anyone take the trade? Anybody? There's 3855. We're going to test that as resistance. But you can tell it was a key spot, this 3855 area. In a key spot. Right now, most of this is just noise until Powell talks. Possibly might come back up to here. Dude, we have 300. What? saying 100 points. We had a 300. We shorted M&Q perfectly. Sweet, sweet. At least somebody took it. But basically, right now, this is mostly noise. Let the market do its thing. Just reacting. Look at 1 minute volume. Also shows you what's happening. Until we're kind of popping up, low volume. So definitely keep that on watch. What's the delay on YouTube? Let me see. One. $20. Which would it's usually only 10 seconds pre-market, but I have a lot more things running right now. But definitely watch this. Maybe inverted head and shoulders. Watch it pop up. We're just waiting. We're just sitting around waiting for Powell right now. Let's go. Brad with the fibs, man. He learned from the man. $11.8. 11.848. And overall, the announcement wasn't good, but just keep watching. I'm fine. I'd love to see Apple Tank. Oh, Twitter. Ivy's dropping big on these contracts. 0 days were like 0.6. Now they're at 0.44. Bro, you should retweet your retweet. Your dark pools were here on QQQs, which looked like buys because, you know, they kind of bought down here, which was that support and resistance, pushed up. I think they added to the position here, pushed up. They were just pushing. They're probably buying just for that push up to FOMC. I'm debating on calls right now. Translation of today's Fed statement. We have no idea what's going on. I'm in calls. In calls. So interesting here, QQQ. Look at that, popped it up, that QQQ dark pool right here. Someone sold right there. Bank. SPY 214. Same with SPY. Someone bought that little pop up on both those. I'm long, lighter than I was short. See if that pattern does play out. We can still go down. You know, we kind of dip when Powell does start talking, but we made a higher low. See what happens. Looking at golden pocket. I don't know what golden pocket is. Yeah, about calls. I have 390s for Friday, 2.0. This. Yeah, VIX is basically not that much higher. UVXY is coming down. Those are pretty good ways to come down. Looks like it topped off at 10.55. We are battling IV on these calls. Look for me. That pop up was dark pool printed. Someone 384.48. Someone did 384.07 was the last one. Hosanna, Rosanna. Oh. Still no big options though. They bought the dip on Tesla. You have a cord? Oh. Yeah, bump on your head, buddy. Hi. Back. Yeah, I expected a dip. I'm not worried about it. Then reversal volume here. Should be a reversal candle. What did I say? Reversal candle. Why my other son? Look my other son up. Trimmed 2.4 from 2.0. Hi guys, you know what's gonna happen during these events? Like, just watch that top. Let's break through VWAP. What about the moon? Same pattern every time. Yeah. Wrong with buddy? There's a little man making his little debut. He does not want a nap. So this is what I do all day, guys. Struggling with VWAP right now. Yeah, I have 2 runners left on my call. There's 2 runners left on my call. And a Tesla put that's probably gonna go to 0, and Apple puts. But those Apple puts I'm not really worried about. No, those Apple puts. Well, Tesla put's gonna go to 0, but those are runners that, average out really well on. I'm not really concerned. Damn, Tesla's a new high a day. They bought that dip. Chill. Wait, is there something going on? Why is the market acting weird? I love people who ask that. Wait, did something happen in the market? Why did what? You talk about how Biden likes to kiss little boys. And calls. I have good internet. Let's go to the moon, to the moon, to the moon, to the moon. I can't wait till this, it pops at first and then dumps afterwards. Everyone's gonna be like, oh, what? This is also a 1 minute supply. Shit. I'm hungry too, buddy. $39. Yo, moonshot. That happens a lot for me. You just gotta close it and open it back up. Dude, chill. Alright, guys. Killed it. Come on. Come on. I gave you guys live 80% puts. Banger on calls right now. Like, let's go. Y'all have a great rest of your day. I mean, this is the only day you need to trade of the week. Enjoy my birthday from now on. And go into tomorrow open-minded. Y'all have a great rest of your day. Especially whatever Discord you guys are in, show some testimonials.